Hello everyone, we're back with another great question. Have you ever wondered why your answers to math problems are sometimes wrong? Perhaps the problem isn't with your arithmetic, but with a small, important rule you've overlooked. Today, we'll learn that rule together. Let's get straight to the solution. The rules we use when solving these questions are called order of operations. We code them as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, E stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division have no order of operations. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Let's solve your questions again using these rules. Addition, parentheses, exponents, and subtraction. First, the parentheses are used. Within the parentheses, the exponents are used first. Let's find the exponents. 5 to the second power, 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's substitute. Now, let's subtract in parentheses. 25 minus 5 equals 20. In the last operation, we also perform the addition. 5 plus 20 equals 25. Congratulations if you got the answer right. We've reached the end of the video. Now, I want you to find the answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos in the boxes on the site. See you in the next video.